Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty. Today, we're shifting gears a bit and taking a look at a product that's all about supporting your sleep, literally. We're diving into the Signature Design by Ashley low-profile ready-to-assemble metal foundation, designed specifically for California king beds. This might seem like an unusual topic for a beauty-focused channel, but trust me, a good night's sleep impacts your skin, your hair, and overall well-being, so it's totally relevant. The Signature Design by Ashley foundation is here to offer sturdy support for your mattress, all while providing a low-profile, sleek design for those who want that modern, lower-to-the-ground bed aesthetic. Made of sturdy metal, this foundation replaces the traditional wooden box spring and is engineered for durability and longevity. It features a removable fabric cover and rounded corners, ensuring safety during setup and daily use. Now let's talk about how it performs in the real world. First off, the assembly is straightforward, but having a second person around will definitely make the process smoother. The foundation ships compactly in a box that includes all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions, so no surprises there. Once it's put together, this foundation fits easily into a California king frame and offers solid support for a variety of mattress types, from memory foam to plush. When it comes to ease of use, it's pretty hassle-free. The low-profile design not only looks stylish, but also does exactly what it promises, provides a foundation for your mattress without elevating your bed too much. It's ideal for those who want that sleek, modern bed look, or who simply want their mattress closer to the ground. One of the standout pros of this product is definitely its build quality. The metal construction is strong and feels like it can take a lot of wear and tear. It's also more durable than the typical wooden box springs, making it a good choice for long-term use. The fabric cover is a nice touch, it looks good, and it helps keep things safe and secure, especially with those rounded corners. However, there are a few things to consider. While the low-profile design is a great feature for aesthetics, it might not be the best choice if you're looking for a more traditional or higher bed frame. The height might be too low for some people, especially if you're used to having more space under your bed for storage. Also, while the metal frame is strong, it's not as soft or cushioned as wooden box springs, so if you're expecting that classic spring support feel, you might find it a bit firm. Now, let's get into the value for money. At first glance, this metal foundation might seem like a simple product, but when you factor in the durability and long-term savings compared to traditional wooden box springs, it's definitely a solid investment. The price is justified for the materials used, and if you're someone who's looking for a sturdy foundation with a sleek look that doesn't compromise on support, this is worth considering. If you're looking at alternatives, there are a few other metal foundations on the market that offer similar features, but often at a higher price point. If budget is a concern, it's worth checking out some of the other options that might offer similar build quality, but with a smaller price tag. But if you're after long-term durability and a streamlined design, this one hits the mark. As far as customer service goes, there haven't been any reported issues, and the brand has a solid reputation for handling customer inquiries effectively. Assembly support is well documented, with all parts and tools included in the box, making it a smooth experience for most. To wrap things up, the Signature Design by Ashley low-profile metal foundation does exactly what it says on the box. It provides a sturdy, low-profile foundation that supports your mattress and fits perfectly in a California king frame. It's well-built, easy to assemble, and designed for long-lasting durability. That said, if you're someone who prefers a higher bed frame or a softer foundation, this might not be your ideal choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, beauty isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's about how you care for yourself, inside and out. Stay beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next video.